the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the LG Stylo 4 on Straight Talk, guys. So the LG Stylo 4 finally showed up on Straight Talk's website, so that is good. So the Straight Talk Stylo 4 is L713DL, and I believe that this one uses Verizon towers, so that is good news on that front. So you guys know what the specs are on the Stylo 4 for Straight Talk. They're very disappointing. I mean, the Straight Talk got a watered down version of the Stylo 4, and you guys can tell what the watered down version of it is. So anyway, guys, on the front of the LG Stylo 4, as you guys know, is front facing camera, earpiece, your 18:9 screen there, your buttons for audio. On the right side of the phone, you do have a power button. On the right side, you have a power button. On the back of the LG Stylo 4, you guys have a camera flash, fingerprint sensor, track phone logo, LG logo. Your volume buttons are on the left side. Your headphone jack, Type-C, charging port, and your microphone are at the bottom, and you also have a noise cancellation microphone. Alright. So the Stylo 4 and Straight Talk is LTE, of course. Wi-Fi has a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display, full vision TFT display that is 1080 by 2160 pixels, I believe it is. 13 megapixel rear camera with phase detection autofocus. 5 megapixel wide angle front facing camera. Usage talk time to 13 hours. So this is where the fuckery gets in. 16 gigabytes of RAM and 2 gigabytes of RAM. That is correct, guys. Straight Talk got the Stylo 4 with 16 gigabytes of storage. That's very disappointing, and a lot of people are pissed about that. And I hear that you get about 6 gigabytes to use on the Stylo 4 from Straight Talk, so that's very disappointing in my opinion. Like I said, it's 2 gigabytes of RAM. The dimensions of the Stylo 4, it's 6.30 inches height, 3.0 inches width, and 0.33 inches on the depth. So yeah, says the LG Stylo 4 is a device that fits your lifestyle. No matter how big your life is. Create more, play more, and live more with the LG Stylo 4. Nearly anything is possible. It's more than a phone. It's your best life in the palm of your hand. I'll basically tell you guys that you guys can bundle the Stylo 4 with the no contract plan and all that. You guys can do monthly payments on the Stylo 4. If you guys have good credit, it's $11.88 a month for 24 months for the Stylo 4. If you guys have average if you guys are like building your credit or whatever, it's $26.97 a month for 24 months for the Stylo 4 monthly. Or if you guys want to buy the phone outright, it's $199.99 for the Stylo 4 on Straight Talk. In my opinion, it's not worth it, guys. It's not worth it for 199 bucks. It's currently out of stock, so keep that in mind. But you guys can get it at Walmart if you want to. So it does have the smart thing on there, the smart pay on there. If I were you, I would just buy the phone outright, and so you guys won't have to pay it monthly. But like I said, $199, the Stylo 4 is not worth it because of the internal storage on the Straight Talk Stylo 4. And so yeah, the size of the Stylo 4 again, obviously 6.30 inches on the height, 3.6 inches on the width, and 0.33 inches on the depth. The LG Stylo 4 weighs 6.7 ounces, included battery 3300 milliamp. The battery is not removable. Talk time up to 13 hours. Standby time up to 11 days. It's CDMA, so it uses Verizon towers. It has hearing aid capable and all that. But what you guys get in the box is nothing too special. You guys get the Stylo 4, the stylus pen, charger, battery which is embedded, activation card, service guide, and quick start guide there. So to keep that in mind there. You guys, obviously a service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. More pages of the Stylo 4 has Android 8.1 Oreo, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 13 megapixel rear facing camera, with face detection, autofocus, 5 megapixel front facing wide-angle camera, battery, lithium-ion, 3300 mAh battery. It's not removable, and the display on the Stylo 4 is 6.2 inches Full HD plus, full vision TFT display there. So there it is, that's the Stylo 4 on Straight Talk. It uses a Verizon towers. It's $199.99 for retail price for the Straight Talk Stylo 4. In my opinion, it's not worth it. You guys are just better off just bringing an unlike Stylo 4 to Straight Talk. I mean, Straight Talk is asking for $200 for this phone, and it's not worth it because of the internal storage. It has 16 gigabytes of storage, no NFC, no fast charge. So you keep that in mind. So basically, Straight Talk got a very watered down version of the Stylo 4. So other than that, everything else is pretty much the same. It's pretty much the same as the Bismol version minus the processor. The Straight Talk Stylo 4 has a Snapdragon 450 processor, I believe it is. It's octa-core, 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 450, 2 GB of RAM, and everything else. It doesn't have fast charge or NFC, like I said, and it only has 16 gigabytes of storage, which is very disappointing. So yeah, if you guys want a Stylo 4 on Straight Talk, I suggest you guys buy an unlike Stylo 4 or an unlike Stylo 4 Plus and bring it to Straight Talk. So it will cost you a bit more money to buy unlike Stylo 4, but it's definitely worth it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, for $199 for the Stylo 4 and Straight Talk, it is not worth it, guys. It is not worth it. It's not worth it. I don't know why Straight Talk is asking for $199 for this phone. It's not worth it. I mean, it's not. I mean, the phone looks nice and all that good stuff, but the internal memory is a big fail in this one. Big fail, big con. But other than that, it's okay, you know what I'm saying? It's a budget phone, so it is what it is. So just remember, no fast charge, no NFC, and 16 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you last me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.